Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We are looking for a question, logical question which involves a radical equation. I personally found this question to be very interesting. I hope you like this. Let us go ahead and get started. In the following question, given that root of xyz minus 1 by root of xyz is equal to xyz whole to the power of 3 by 2. Then you have to find the value of 1 plus 2 xyz whole square plus 1 by xyz whole to the power of 4 by xyz whole square. You have to find the value of this question. So those who are new, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Okay, let's start the problem. So here the logic is given. That's why this problem is selected. So here first what is given that we are taking given given root of xyz minus 1 by root of xyz is equal to xyz whole to the power of 3 by 2. So let us take that xyz is equal to a. That implies a square is equal to xyz whole square. Now if you substitute here, what will get root a minus 1 by root a. Here I am taking whole square is equal to here a to the power of 3 will get So by 2 we are sending that side. This by 2 we are sending that side. We are getting whole square. Now if you expand this root a whole square plus 1 by root a whole square minus 2 into root a into 1 by root a is equal to a cube. Now here you'll get a plus 1 by a square and square root get cancelled here also. So here root a get cancelled. Minus 2 is equal to a cube. Now if you take LCM here, a square plus 1 minus 2a by a is equal to a cube. Now if you multiply this, a square plus 1 minus 2a is equal to a to the power of 4. Now here you are getting a fourth degree equation, a power 4 minus a square plus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So this step is very very important now. So here you have to write the factors a square plus a minus 1 into a square plus a minus 1 into a square minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here you won't get real factors here. Now this can be written as a square plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. A square plus a equal to 1. So divide by a plus 1 is equal to 1 by a. That implies 1 by a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a is equal to 1. Now from this we are going to find a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a minus 1 by a whole square plus 4a into 1 by a. So here what will get here? A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a minus 1 by a value is 1 now. 1 square plus 4. So here a plus 1 by a is equal to a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 5. That implies a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to root 5. So what is required now? Required substituting a value here. A value is xyz a value is xyz plus 1 by xyz whole square is equal to root 5 whole square. So what is x? Here we'll get xyz whole square plus 1 by xyz whole square will get. Now if you expand this xyz whole to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 2 into xyz whole square by xyz whole square, that is required. The value is equal to 5. So I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.